Welcome back to Bearded Excursions and Outdoors, everybody. We've got something a little bit different and a little bit fun this weekend. What are we doing?
We're going to a water park.
Going to a water park. It's called Splashway. We're out in Weimar at an Airbnb that we've stayed at before. Never on camera. It was before I did YouTube, but this is a great place. We've got like 50 acres out here. They've got like a big old tower you can climb up. We're even going to do some fishing. But before we do anything else, we're going to head on inside and check this place out. Let's check this place out. Don't want to show you the code on camera. Oh, yeah. Just like I remember.
Nice.
Here's a little bear. All right, let's go on a quick tour of this place. We're going to start in the most important room, and that is the kitchen. And I see that they have a coffee maker along with some K-cups, so yay. All right, there's the kitchen. This little dining area here. That's the loft to go upstairs to where the kids are going to sleep. And then we've got one of the guest bedrooms over here, and the kiddos and the dog. And then that's one bedroom. I guess that's where you're staying in. Okay. And then we've got the bed in here. And then let's go check out the loft. P-Dog, you gonna show me the loft? Come on, dog lover. All right. Oh, that's cool. You got like a whole little, oh, I better watch my head. Yo, my head's a little bit close to the ceiling up here. You got like a little sitting area up here. You got a bed over there. There's 3 beds up here.
We have 2 little bitty beds.
Yeah. 2 twin beds over there. There's like a bed over here. Pretty cool. Come on, Bebe. Come. Bebe, come on. You like those stairs.
So baby,
this way.
So she can sleep wherever she wants.
Oh, she only sleeps in one position, and that's wherever I'm at. Okay. That is pretty cool. I like the loft.
This might be my favorite.
Come on, Bebe.
Baby, over here.
All right, now it is time to turn our attention to something very important, and that is dinner. We're gonna fire up the grill and do some burgers. All right, we found the grill. They have a nice, like a really big Traeger pellet grill out here. So we've started the process of heating that up, and we're gonna throw some burgers on here. It's late, we're eating late, but we don't really have anywhere to be except the water park tomorrow, so we're good. We're just gonna enjoy our time here, slow down, slow the pace way down. That's what it's all about. All right, guys, man, that light is really bright on this camera. All right, I'm looking for a grill spatula right now because I couldn't find a good metal one inside, but because I am prepared, I did bring some of my gear, which actually has, oh, good, and I picked the right side. It actually has my little Roxxon tools that has a spatula in it, so we're gonna use that. Got my spatula. Set that down. I think this thing's hot enough. It's running a little bit low on pellets, so we're just gonna go ahead and yeah, get these burgers on here. All right, everybody, it is time for step 2, which is a nice cold beer. What have you got to drink?
Sprite with raspberry.
Oh, that sounds tasty. Cheers.
Did you introduce our friend?
So that's Heather off camera asking if we've introduced. So this is dog lover Paisley. She is new to Bearded Excursions and Outdoors, but she is Bailey's BFF.
No, Bailey's my BFF.
Oh, Bailey is Little Bear's BFF. So
Mine. I called her.
they're gonna fight over Bailey, but I think we all know who's her favorite. Amen. All right, dig in, everybody. All right, everybody. everybody. We have had a good night. We've had a lot of fun visiting and eating some good burgers. And it's time to say goodnight.
It's been a fun night.
It's been a fun night?
Yeah. We had a lot of fun.
Did you have a lot of fun?
But it took a long time to come on the trip.
Yeah. A little bit of a long drive, but it is fun.
But we're gonna go to the water park, and we will see y'all tomorrow.
Good morning. It's gonna be a fun day for those kids. But this right here, this is my favorite part of the day. I have to say, trading in the tent this week for a cabin in the country on 50 acres was a pretty nice trade-off. They've got this really cool, I don't know if it's a deer blind or just a lookout tower, observation tower, but it's really cool. It gives you these 360-degree views of their property. You can see their pond right there. May try and do a little fishing later. And then we've got the name of their ranch right there. Some of you flower experts, let me know in the comments what kind of flower that is. I'm not a expert on plant life at all. What? That sunrise back there over the trees. Just gorgeous. Well, we're really lucky to be out here. The Lord has done some beautiful work in Texas. Bailey's on the scent of something. She's checking out over there. Oh, she just found her stick. Get it. Get your stick. Get it. Good girl. See, guys, even when we're not tent camping, she finds one. You gonna play fetch? We'll throw this big piece. Okay, you ready? Is there a happier dog on the planet? I don't think so. Hey, can y'all hear me? Oh good, it's working. Look, in a couple of hours we're gonna be at the water park and it's about to get loud and absolutely crazy. I'm pretty sure this telepathy thing is gonna be the only way I can communicate with you guys for the rest of the day. So brace yourselves, the madness is coming. I figured I'd try to channel a little bit in there for you guys because I'm afraid today, at this moment, is probably as quiet as it's gonna get. So we're gonna enjoy it. But those kids are so excited about going to the water park today. So after we have breakfast, we'll head down that way and I'll get a few shots of inside the park if I can, so you guys can kind of see what's going on. Let's get to breakfast. All right, here comes Maddox and Paisley. Down the side, there goes Maddox. That's a big old splash. There comes Paisley. Whoa!
And there's Rod.
time.
Okay, water parks aren't so bad when you've got a lazy river.
And these two crazies just did a drop slide with a countdown.
All right, Maddox,
They might be too loose.
go underwater. Let me get you an underwater shot. Back at the Airbnb from the water park, and I'm not gonna lie, I might have been involved in a slight nap.
The owners told us we could explore the property, so we set out to do just that. We even stopped off and let the kids try fishing for a little bit, but no luck today. So we continued exploring, reflecting on what a great day we had before arriving back to the cabin to cook dinner.
It has been one amazing day out here. We are all wiped out, but tonight we decided to wrap up the trip. We're gonna have some steak, so I'm about to throw some ribeyes on that pellet grill and we're gonna chow down. And then after all that's said and done, I'm gonna sit out and I'm gonna relax and enjoy the evening before we have to pack up and head back tomorrow. Forgot to film this part of it, but because we used a pellet smoker, I did a reverse sear on these. Let's see how it turned out. I think that turned out pretty good. We have had a long day. It was a fun day, but man, this pack, that sun got to us all, and we had a great steak dinner tonight. Kids laughed a lot. Bailey had fun. And it's these type of days that you live for. Sometimes when I can't get out and go camping, a little family time does exactly what I need it to do. So I'm very thankful that our friends could join us on this trip, and I got to spend some good quality time with Heather and Little Bear. I'm gonna turn it in for the night, and you know the drill. I'll see you in the morning for coffee.
Good morning. I absolutely crashed last night. It was like I laid down and hit the bed and just passed out. We had a really incredible time out here. Now, for those of you that are wondering, typically I don't give locations of where I'm staying, but I'm going to break that. Well, I give it to my members, but I'll break that today. Just because this is an Airbnb, it's not a dispersed camp that I really want to protect. This is called the RMB Longhorn Ranch, and the couple that owns it is a really cool couple. And I think they may be watching right now, so if you are, thank you again for your hospitality. This has been a great stay at our second time here. Their property includes about 50 acres or so, and it has this beautiful Airbnb on the property. Very far away from any main houses. There's a couple of horses that walk around, and you've got the tower, and the kids absolutely loved it. And it's probably one of the most peaceful places that Heather and I have found to stay. And so we love coming out here. This will definitely not be our last time to come out here. If you want to follow them on Instagram, follow them at RMB Longhorn. Really cool. This trip was exactly what I needed. Just some good family time, connecting, having a great time. And I have to admit, trading in the tent for the cabin on this weekend trip was pretty good because it was awfully hot, y'all. But don't worry, there's going to be plenty more camping that's coming up. Now, I've got 2 more out-of-town trips that are coming up for us, so it'll be a little bit before we get another camping video up there, but don't fret, it's coming. I've got some pretty good plans for the next spot that I'm going to go to. As always, I'd like to thank all of my subscribers. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you're notified every time that a new video goes up. Special shout out to my members. Thank you so much for your support. And if you're watching on a mobile device, please be sure and hit the hype button. If you can do that within the first 7 days, it really puts the video out there in front of people just like you that may want to see some content like this. The only thing I've got left to do this morning, just enjoy my coffee. Then we'll pack up and we'll head out. So I think I'm just going to end the video here. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. And until next time, we'll see you down the trail or around the campfire.
See you down the trail or around the campfire.